Today we're filming in the kitchen because Mark's helping. My XTool has been running overtime and we've got bats. Mark's already assembled the lantern for me. We've got Happy Halloween signs. We have got ghosts. I've already put one coat on that. So I'm going to do the fiddly bits like these because I want my pumpkins in orange and, you know, that sort of thing. And Mark is going to do the rest.
In the kitchen late at night, making ghosts in pale moonlight. Mark is painting bats with care, crafting shadows everywhere. Pumpkins laughing, jack-o'-lanterns grin, spooky giggles from within. Glue and paint mess all the floors, Mark's got glitter in his pores. Oh, we craft in spooky style, gentle mischief makes us smile. Wooden ghoulies come alive, crafting keeps our joy in the drive. Witching our fingers fly, Mark's got sawdust in.
Do the ghost first. You can put the ghosts out of the way if you're not going to do them first.
It's painting, it really makes you thirsty. Oh. You must send me a case.
It's not product placement, is it? Right, I haven't got the right colour for pumpkins. Does that look about right for a pumpkin to you?
Mm-hmm. So now on the original series it's a Batman.
Hmm.
And the bat symbol would fly onto the camera and block the view out completely and then fly away from the camera into the next scene. You go like that. Right? So what you're able to do in a few minutes is go like that. Get one of these and go, and then when you do your next scene you'll be able to go and it's something else. Now, if you do any more work on the bats, get me a Batman costume on more.
Oh god. There you go, what do you think? The orange needs some effect because I've got some of the black in it.
Okay.
Oh, that one's haunted. It's alive. Have you still got your Batman outfit safe?
Yeah. Give every bat an individual facial expression.
We can do that.
Sticking their tongues out and everyone that's all cross-eyed and drunk and stuff.
The question is, will blue tack hold these to the garage door? And have we got enough blue tack? They sell it around the shop if not, don't they?
You know, hang them up.
Oh yeah, some of them. Yeah. But they like these signs want to kind of be stuck on the garage door, don't they? And the ghosts, I think, want to be. They're just like the Batman bats, those, aren't they? Yeah.